Hiya folks, what's the topic today? Trying to get off Duffryn. This is the place I live. It takes about an hour to get off because they've been doing 2 roundabouts for approximately a year. With the broadcast, they'll be finished by the summer of this year. Okay, we all believed that, didn't we? Everybody on the fucking planet believed that for a minute. But no, they wasn't. No, they didn't. No, they couldn't. They couldn't fucking finish a box of cornflakes. I'm going to turn the camera around right when we get up here to the roundabout. I'll turn the camera around, we'll go around nice and slow, and you count how many people you actually see working. Okay? And I'll lay a bet on it, you won't see more than 4. Now bear in mind, this is like probably a 2-acre project they're doing here, but they had to do the other one at the same time. There's another roundabout, the motorway roundabout. They had to do that at the same time. Then they had to do the one up there. They had to resurface that, and then they had to resurface the one after that, and then they had to resurface the one after that, and then, you know what I'm going to say, they actually resurfaced the one after that. So that is exactly 5 flicking roundabouts in a row. They did all at the same time. So not for the working class people, I'm afraid. If you've got nothing to do apart from sit in your car talking, this is the place to come. I gotta give a shout out to Laura. Apparently Laura got married the other day, and people on my Facebook would have saw I was all dressed smartly and acting the clown like I always have done. But hiya folks, I haven't been feeling very well recently, so Shirley asked me to try all this on in case. How do I look? What? No, what it's all about is partly I'm not a very smartly dressed welder, so we decided to get rid of this old stuff, and I'll do a bit of welding in this. Come on, let's go. I was invited to Laura's wedding. All went very well. It was a great day out. It was a great day. Everybody on the planet moans about the cost of the drinks at these places. But you know, that's how they make their money. It was £4.50 a pint of shandy. So that was a second mortgage. That was a bit of a knee bollock. But I was driving anyway, so I couldn't drink a lot. Not as if I would have. And we're moving. Not far, not a fucking lot, but we're moving. Because there's no courtesy left in this world now, you know, if every car let one car out, because everybody was like happy, it'd be fucking great, wouldn't it? It'd be fucking great. But people don't. People actually try not to let you out now. Let you out, let you in, whichever direction you're going. So yeah. Well, we got a JCB over there working. Somebody stood there watching, of course. I think he is. No, let's turn it around, we'll have a look. This is what we got to get across this little bit by Erla, which eventually I think we're going to have traffic lights, which will be flipping great. Because we've never been able to get off this estate, never ever. We've never had right of way off it. you had to fight your way out every day. So hopefully this now will ease the pain. There's one JCB, well, little cat working there. There's a big lorry heading towards me. What the fuck did I now? Right, I used to be able to cut straight across here, now they fucking altered that again. So we got a JCB worker. Who we have got? I was wrong in the bets. There's two there stood there doing fuck all, three having a walk. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 over here watching, one on another little cat. There's a dumpster working. There's another cat working up there, JCB. There's a lorry there doing I don't know. There's another just sat there watching. And there's a gang of them over there. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Like fucking 50 of them just stood there watching. Across the road, look. That's what I gotta face when I come home. Every day. Oh, it's pretty short today. It stops there, like. Sometimes it'll go on forever. That car decided to swing around and go back the other way. Another car there, swinging around, going back. Another policeman, don't know where he's getting himself into. It takes, well, it used to take 7 minutes to get to work. Now it's more like fucking half hour. There's more fun this direction. People don't seem to worry about red lights now, are they? What's the red light for? I don't know. I just thought they had something to do with Christmas. Well, bully to you, and like in Dundee, like I love you. What we gotta put up with every day. Whistler, see? See? Completely blocked. Yeah. We get over this hill here and there should be a traffic jam. And there is. And
there fucking is. And there fucking is. And there fucking is. And there fucking is. Fucking flicking fucking flicker. Flicking flicker, flicking flickering. Flick flickers.
And there we have our way home.